Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make a delicious and healthy vegan dish, Palak Tofu for weight loss. This dish is perfect for Indians who are looking for a tasty and nutritious option for weight loss. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you will need. 1 block of firm tofu. 1 cup of chopped spinach. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tomato, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable or canola oil. Drain the tofu and press it between paper towels to remove excess water. Cut the tofu into cubes and set aside. In a pan, heat oil over medium heat. Add the onions and sauté until they are translucent. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft and mushy. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for another minute. Add the chopped spinach and stir well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the spinach is wilted. Add the tofu cubes and stir gently. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes or until the tofu is heated through. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. And that's it. Your vegan palak tofu for weight loss is now ready to be served. You can enjoy it with rice or roti. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.